Before you elect any person, like whether it be a friend or any relationship to be a part of your life, just elect and see that are they capable of it and how to do it. The very first criteria goes very simple कि उन्हें गुस्से में उनका गुस्से में कैसा reaction होता है. Like some people are very calm. Honestly, I just have two type of reactions when I'm angry. Either I'll cry or either I'll try to be a little calm और मैं कहीं पे चली जाऊँगी. ठीक है. So the basic thing is how you're able to handle your angry self. Okay, are you losing it out? Are you crashing out? Are you just splitting those things that the person can be hurted by? Like for example, there was a person in my friend's life और he just used like वो उसको पूरा ही अब्यूज़ कर देगा. ठीक है, पूरा उनके पापा पे गाली, तुम ऐसी दिखती हो, तुम वैसी दिखती हो. डू यू रियली वांट दैट पर्सन टू बी इन योर लाइफ हु इज़ जस्ट एंग्री एंड जब he is normal, he just behaves normally. Okay, he behaves normally like, oh, I'm so sorry this happened and all this. Do not tolerate this all things, because when you are together, when you two are together, you're gonna face fights. It's not gonna be like flowers and rainy seasons. Even if you're friends, even you are anything, you're gonna face fights. Even me and my sister have so much like fighting and conflicting issues. The thing is how we solve it. How we solve it really matters a lot. Solve our issues very like, okay fine, either she'll say sorry and we'll be like okay fine, or I'll improve by my mistake and I'm like okay fine. This is how we like let go fight, and that's what makes our relationship so worthy enough to talk in public that I like my sister so much. And this point is very important for anyone, and it should be important for you too. Just see how he behaves. Just describe how successful or how many achievements did you have in your life and how he honestly reacts to it. Just see how he reacts. Is he angry? Is he just troubling you up? What is the reaction of that person after hearing out? Is he supportive? So all those things. And the very second thing I want to insist on is how much responsibility that person wants. Like how much responsible that person could be. See, in life it's flowing always like this, and no matter you're a rich person, you're a poor person, you're a middle class person, you're emotionally intelligent, not at all intelligent, you're gonna face issues. You're gonna face issues in your life, and in that time either you have to take up the responsibility or someone else is gonna take that responsibility up. Or and agar if you're not in a relationship, you won't expect any person to do any sort of things for you, right? But if you have a friend, or if you kind of have that expectation, automatically वो expectation आ जाती है कि that person might be consoling me, that person might be doing this all little things for me. Just see how far they are from responsibilities. वो थोड़ी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उनके अंदर, थोड़ा सेंस नहीं है कि कैसे बिहेव करना. हाउ यू गोना लीव विद दैट पर्सन? Just imagine if they don't have a sense to just understand you. Or I understand if it's starting of the friendship, then the person might not be that much understanding of your behaviors, but it should be like that. अगर कोई इंसान दुखी है तो I can call them, right? I can message them that, are you okay? Are you fine? This is like a human, basic human. We all know this thing. Somehow we all know these things, okay? You can't imagine a special treatment, but you can imagine these things on and a little responsibilities from your side of your relationship, which should exist, which should be done. Are they tackling it off? And what's the probability if they are not? What's the probability of them to be tackling more situations and things in future? And a person running away from responsibilities, I don't think so is worth waiting for. Radhe Radhe.